Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different. I'm going to be going to a store. I'm not gonna mention which one just yet. This is gonna be more of a DIY kind of video. I have a couple of things in mind that I want to get, but I'm just not sure if I'm gonna be able to find them. Alrighty guys, so we are actually at Goodwill thrift store. I would insert thrift store song right now, but I am not trying to get my video copyrighted. So I'm actually gonna buy some stuff here and I'm gonna make it into something else. So it might not make sense right now, but once we get started, it should start making some sense, okay? I'm actually a little disappointed. I was in the thrift store for a whole hour. I didn't find anything that I liked. Yeah, I'm itchy everywhere because I tried some stuff on. Probably shouldn't have done that. Okay guys, so I had to change. I couldn't stop itching and it was my clothes. I'm pretty sure there was a lot of dust in there, so just clarifying why I don't look the same anymore. So the stuff that I bought for this line is gonna be this Tide detergent. I was gonna get the regular glue, but I did find this and this looked more fun. This is, oh wow, it's literally called Fun with Glue. So it literally says that it's ideal for slime. Even better. This is actually just green. This one is red. Okay, so we're gonna start mixing in the ingredients. So right here it says that we need water, the Tide, and school glue. In this case, we're gonna use this. I hope it works. So I brought two different colors. Not that I wanted to make two different ones, but because in case I mess up the first one, I have backup. Ooh, I guess I'm gonna have to eyeball it. Ooh, I guess this whole thing. Oh, look. Ooh. Oh, I had to mix it little by little. No. It's time for my hands to get in handy. Oh no, I don't like this. So this is very, very bad. Like, it doesn't even look like slime. The ratio for the glue and the Tide is 1 to 4. 1 being Tide, 4 being glue. So I was supposed to have put 1/4 of this. And I put the whole thing. Okay, so we're gonna save the bad batch just to compare them at the end. Okay, take 2. So for this recipe, it actually didn't ask for water. I looked up another one because I couldn't find the first one. This Tide and then glue. That's good. That's good. Mix everything with a spoon. Not your hands. Got hard. Guess the more I let it sit, the harder it got. I don't want to keep adding more Tide because I don't want to risk ruining it. I just want you to hear this. This is actually pretty cool. No wonder kids like this. Oh my god, this actually has a weird consistency now. It feels like plastic. This is Mod Podge. I mean, I already messed it up, so I guess I don't lose anything by trying to fix it. I can mess it up more if I want. Let's see what it does to it. Can we just take a moment for my hands? Oh my god. Oh, the water just makes it soft. Like really soft. Can you hear that? I'm not mad at this at all. It's actually turning out better. It looks thicker. It looks thicker than the other one. I fixed it! Yay! Oh, I made a heart. It's not perfect, but I fixed it. I fixed it. You see, guys? Even if things don't come out right, don't give up. Let me see the other one, how it turned out. Oh, yeah. This is like a whole different consistency. Like, look at this one. This is like slimy. Oh. These noises. Ah. This is actually pretty soothing for me. I like this. This one is cool. Like, should I add some glitter? Let me see. Let me try and mess it up again. I guess I gotta add more. Blue glitter. This one actually looks cool. It has glitter. It's so glittery. Should I add some to this one? Ah! This damn slime. So I've seen on videos that whenever it's like that, they just go like, and it kind of takes, oh, it actually worked. My hands look like they've been soaked in water for a while. I want to put glitter on it though. I don't want to mess it up. It's so perfect. Okay. Okay. Can you see that glitter? It's like goldish, bronzy-ish. I'm gonna play with this, guys. This is pretty cool. The reflex of the glitter. Okay, so they literally look like two completely different things. You see, this slime is beautiful. It smells beautiful. It smells like Tide. That's actually a lovely smell. I feel very accomplished with this one. This is my favorite one. Let's play with the other one. You see, this one is so much heavier. I don't know if it's the water. I think it's two different consistencies, literally. You see, this one is like slimy. This one is just hard. It's probably all the stuff that I mix in. Oh, no, don't mix them. No. They're not the same. They're sisters, but not twins. I just want you to hear this. It's so soothing. This one, our first contender. I messed it up, but I ended up fixing it. It feels like dough now. This one has water, Tide, glue, blue glue, and Mod Podge. So it feels harder. It has like a different consistency. Like, it's just way different. Our second contender. This one is my favorite one. It's so slimy, but like good slimy, like a good consistency slimy. Has the glitter in it. It's gold. And this one is Tide and glue. Nothing else. I don't want it to dry down. I want to keep you forever. Alrighty, guys. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching. I'm so sorry that my content wasn't too great today. That's what happens when you have a plan and it doesn't go accordingly. You have to improvise and work with what you have. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel also, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.